One thing I'd like to speak about, I think in light of recent events around the country, especially in Baltimore, I'd just like to speak for a minute about police and community relations, specifically here in the 34th Precinct. This is something that at the 34th Precinct we work on every day. Police Commissioner Bratton and Deputy Commissioner John Miller recently had an interview where they discussed these events. And they pointed out that the time to build relationships is during non-stressful situations. I believe the Deputy Commissioner said that if you get a phone call at 3 in the morning when something happens, and that's when you're ready to exchange business cards, you basically lost already. So I was speaking to our council president about this recently, Steve Belton. You know, that's something that we really work on often in the 34th Precinct. We get out to synagogues, we visit synagogues, we get out to the churches. We get to as many meetings as we can. We speak to as many people on the street as we can. And we speak to as many people right there in the lobby of the precinct as we possibly can, because we want to build on those relationships. We want to develop a trust now. We want to develop a relationship now, not when something happens. When something happens that affects the city, we want that trust to already exist. And I think that's a very important thing. I think the fact that you're all here tonight, not because there's an incident going on, but because you're here to speak to the police, I think that speaks to your level of commitment to having a relationship with the police. And I want to thank you. I also want to thank our council because they do what they do on a voluntary basis. I want to thank Steve Belton. I want to thank Doug. I want to thank Jeff. I want to thank Andre for their participation. And as I said, I appreciate everyone who's here coming out in their own time. I know you all have jobs, you have studies, you have kids, you have things that take your time. You're here tonight as volunteers, and we as a police department